I'm a test engineer for Tesla. My name's JD Price, and we're out here in New Zealand working on Model Y track mode, a new development for the Model Y performance package. So this is full oversteer. All your drifter guys are gonna love this kind of setting because as soon as you just tip out, you can just rotate the car around and do some pretty wild maneuvers.
Here with all of our various platforms working on low-mu winter test improvements.
Every car that you see has a Raj on it right now. So these are all Tesla cars moving, doing different maneuvers out and back. Things in green mean we have it. It's a good way to keep track of people.
It's pretty relentless out here with the visibility and the constant dynamic weather.
Where else are you going to find snow in July and August? It's crazy. It's confusing for the body, and it's always been that way.
I think there's a saying, the customer's going to do it, so we have to do it first. You're walking the line between stable and unstable. Tesla's had some of the best safety scores in the game. Stuff like this is a big reason for that.
It's super cool to talk to people in California, send that update halfway across the world. You go on top of a mountain, test their update. That's something that I've never experienced before.
We go all over to test the vehicles to the extreme so that no matter where the customer takes the car, the vehicle's gonna be stable.
We're almost always on a proving ground testing new software, and we run this thousands of times per software release.
We do everything from driving the car, writing the code, doing the calibration. That feedback loop is super quick.
It's too cold to think.
A day in New Zealand starts at 5 a.m., wake up.
Go, go, go as soon as you get here.
So we're usually here from like 7 to 7. We'll drive back, look at data, prepare builds for the next day, and hopefully grab some dinner. When you come this far, it kind of becomes a family.
Everyone loves it. Like, we're doing this because we really want to, you know? It takes a certain personality.
Obviously fun, but also very important, the work that we're doing here.
But it puts a smile on your face every single day, no matter how many weeks you're working here.